Hello and welcome to my channel. I'll be doing another challenge today, and I'm going to be doing the, where is it? This guy, the helicopter. I'll be doing only him, unlike the last time. Okay, so, this map, I'm going to need lots of space, so I can put lots of them down. No, I don't like that. But yeah, actually, I don't know. Yeah, let's go with it. Okay, where is he? There he is. And then he's... Why this no work? Why can't I throw it down? Do I need a person? Oh, hey, look at that. 220. So it's that guy. I could use that. Yeah, let's use it. Okay. Yeah. We have started. This is gonna be a slow couple rounds. I don't know what I should get next. Should I keep upgrading this guy? I definitely need this support guy for hearts. I don't really need money too much. And I actually haven't gotten this guy yet. So I'm planning on having all of these. It's a lot of money, oh my god. They still can't even get past that. Oh, it is only round 7 though. There we go. So I'm planning on filling this whole map up with helicopters. This is a pretty cool map. Like Africa themed. Alright. Let's get pursuit. Yay. Oh yeah, I don't need to do anything anymore. I think I look stupid with that green and black on the side. I just noticed he has little green goggles on. It's gonna be a lot of money. It's gonna be worth it though. Alright, let's get downdraft. Alright, how much? 12,000? I don't think I could survive until 12,000. I have to get this. Uh-oh. Problems? This guy would be able to get those. Okay, so I need to get that guy next. Shit. Oh my god. I'm almost dead. Just from what, like 6 of those guys? Wow. Alright. I'm dead. Let's try that again. Intermediate? Oh, no, yeah. I know what I have to do. Okay. I hope this works. Oh, thank God. Okay, let's get another guy. Ah, shit. I didn't mean to do that. Oh well. At least now they won't be getting past. Oh, good lord. We're almost halfway there. I have to prepare for the Moabs. I'm gonna do little sections of guys. So, what should I get? I need to get that. Should I get this guy first or that guy? It's 5,000. It's 3,000. I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna get this. Oh no! Alright, I already messed up with this guy. There you go. Everything's automatic now. There you go, now money's starting to come in. Downdraft. Oh, okay, that's pretty easy. Oh, good lord. Oh, it's 12,000? I forgot. I'm worried about these balloons. They're very quick. Ah! Yeah, I think I got this. Because of that downdraft, it pushes them all back. Yeah, thank God. Alright, we're almost there. Another 1,000 more. Come on. Yay! Okay, now I can get this. My God, that's one chunky beast. Forgot how big those guys were. Jesus Christ. I should probably get this next. Yeah, I'll get that next. I don't need money, I need lives. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh no. That guy? Okay. I'm so scared. I don't think I can survive this warp shelf. Yes! Oh wow, that's so OP. Oh my god. I didn't know it was that good. What's this guy doing? This guy not, he is. Okay. How much do I need? 10,000. That's not bad. Yeah, lives. They can't even move. Alright, 53. We're almost there. But I'm intrigued of how long I can last with only helicopters. I'm scared of the big metal balloons. I forgot what they're called. Because those guys are really fast. I don't know if my guys can keep up. Oh, okay. Come on, I'm so close. I don't want to die. There you go. Okay. I need to get more powerful guys. Oh, thank God. Does this guy not have ability? What does he do? This guy had an ability. Oh, it's randomly. Okay. Is he shooting? I don't even think he's... Oh, he only goes for those guys. Okay. Someone's texting me. Okay. Oh, good lord, I wasn't even watching. This guy? This guy? I don't know what I should get next. Not that guy. I think I should get one of these, because these are really good. Okay, thank God for these little people here. Should I name my planes? No, that's crazy. Except for these small guys. Little Joshes. That will be their name, the Joshes. Yes, get him, little Joshes. There are so many balloons. I'm gonna die this turn, aren't I? Oh my God. Alright, well I guess that's the end of that. Thank you for watching. That was... Wow, look at all of those balloons. I forgot there were those many balloons. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Make sure to mention any challenges, any other challenges you want me to do, and hope you see you again.